Unlock the power of free, customer-driven ads to skyrocket your dropshipping sales and boost your profits. In this video, we're diving deep into how you can create incredibly effective user-generated content, or UGC, ads for your dropshipping business, absolutely free. Step 1. Source your UGC. Your existing customers are your goldmine. Reach out to your happiest customers via email or social media direct messages. A simple, friendly message asking if they'd be willing to share a photo or short video of them using your product can yield amazing results. Offer a small, future discount or a thank you shout out on your social media as a thank you. Step 2. Leverage existing reviews. Many e-commerce platforms allow customers to leave reviews with photos or videos. These are already authentic UGC gold. Look for reviews with visual content and ask the customer for permission to use their photo or video in your ads. Again, offering a small incentive can encourage them. Step 3. Edit and create. Now, we use free tools to transform this raw UGC into compelling ad creatives for visuals. Platforms like Canva or Adobe Express are fantastic. They offer templates, drag and drop functionality, and a wealth of free stock elements to enhance your UGC. Focus on making the product the hero that let the customer experience shine. Add clear, concise text overlays that highlight the benefits or a special offer. Keep it short, punchy, and mobile-friendly. For video editing, CapCut is a powerhouse. It's completely free on mobile and desktop, offering professional-grade editing features like trimming, adding music, text, and even basic effects. Think short, engaging clips that show the product solving a problem or bringing joy. Step 4. Craft your copy. Your ad copy needs to be as authentic as your visuals. Focus on what your customers love. Use phrases like "see what our customers are saying" or "real people, real results." Highlight the core benefit your product offers, drawing inspiration from the UGC itself. Step 5. Implement and optimize. Upload your created UGC ads to your chosen advertising platforms. Monitor their performance closely. Which ads are getting the most clicks and conversions? Double down on what's working and refine your approach based on the data. By harnessing the power of your customers and utilizing free tools, you can create incredibly effective UGC ads that drive traffic, boost sales, and significantly improve your dropshipping profit margins. Start collecting that UGC today and watch your business grow.